5 foods that boost brain power and memory. Your brain is an important player that is in charge of keeping your heart beating. Therefore, to remain as healthy as possible, you need to constantly stimulate your brain. The foods you eat help maintain and increase cognitive functions, including memory and concentration. If you are keen on knowing how to keep your brain healthy, make sure to watch this video until the end as we tell you about the 5 foods that boost brain power and memory. Oh, and by the way, on this channel, I share a lot of tips on how you can improve your physical health, mental health, and just boost your personal growth. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1, fish. Approximately 60% of your brain is composed of fat, and half of that fat is the omega-3 variety. Omega-3s offer several health benefits for the brain, including possible slowing of mental decline. All fish contain at least 1% of omega-3 fatty acids, so eating fish is a great way to give your brain all the nutrients it needs. Number 2, tea and coffee. You will be pleased to know that drinking 1 cup of tea or coffee with no extra sugar increases alertness. Caffeine has been shown to increase several feel-good neurotransmitters such as serotonin. Researchers found that those who drank 1 coffee cup in the morning found it easier to concentrate on tasks that require attention. Number 3, nuts. Research has demonstrated that incorporating nuts into your diet improves heart health. Having a healthy cardiovascular system is correlated with having a healthy brain. For older people, regularly eating nuts may reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Experts claim that numerous nutrients found in nuts, such as healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E, could be responsible for their brain-healthy effects. Number 4, blueberries. Studies show that blueberries have several health benefits, some of which are specific to the brain. Anthocyanins, a class of plant compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, are present in blueberries and other berries. The presence of antioxidants can help improve brain health and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative illnesses. Blueberries may help children and senior adults to boost memory and cognitive skills. Number 5, dark chocolate. Flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants are found in dark chocolate and cocoa powder, making these foods great brain boosters. Regular milk chocolate does not provide this many health benefits because it is between 10 and 50% cocoa. Flavonoids are a type of antioxidant plant compound often used as dietary supplements. It is believed that flavonoids may help improve memory and decrease age-related mental decline. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you did, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the Health Yard for more health-related content, and click on the notification bell below to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.